Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah if you're new here, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a little get ready with me to film a YouTube video. I've done one of these before. It's kind of just like a little chit chat get ready with me and just a short and sweet video. I just think they're kind of fun. Before I do that, I just also wanted to clean my room because I think I'm going to film a few videos today, and one of them requires my room to be clean because it might show in the background. So we're going to do that first. And I feel like room cleaning videos, like I like watching them because they're just so satisfying, and also will motivate me to clean my room well. So let's get started. So I finished cleaning my room. It wasn't that much of a process. I'm gonna start my makeup now, and I have some things on my mind that I'm gonna say. First of all, my blackheads have been really acting up lately. I mean, they've always been like this, but they just have been bothering me way more, like so much. So if anyone has any tips on how to get rid of blackheads, I would greatly appreciate it because I'm struggling out here. I really am, and I'm very insecure about them. And I feel like all the people on TikTok, and a lot of boys too, they never have blackheads. I don't understand how, because I didn't choose this life. The blackhead life chose me. Alright, so I'm gonna go dampen my beauty blender for— wait, I don't ever use my beauty blender. What am I talking about? So I already have SPF on from my CeraVe moisturizer. I use the CeraVe AM and PM moisturizer, and the AM one has SPF 30. So I already have SPF on, and plus I don't think I'm gonna be going outside today. I have the Cetaphil moisturizer, and this is what I use. I used to use this on my face, but it wasn't doing me good, so now I just use it to mix in my concealers to make it like a tinted moisturizer. So I am trying to upload a video at the moment, but it's been uploading for almost 24 hours, and it's getting old. I'm really frustrated about it. It needs to upload because I try to upload on Mondays, but obviously we all know I struggled with that a little bit. And I was gonna upload yesterday because the video was gonna be all ready by yesterday. So at noon I started uploading it, and it is now Wednesday at 11:19, and it's only at 59%. One of the big reasons I really think is because my computer is super old, and I'm definitely due for a new one, but computers are so expensive. So that's like not happening anytime soon. But it's okay because I can work with what I got, and I just gotta earn enough money to buy a new one. And that's just how life works. I realized just now that my last get ready with me to film a YouTube video didn't include me talking. Like it wasn't a chit chat one. So this is a little spin on my last video. Since this is like a tinted one, I need to go in with the big guns and actually use the full-on stuff to cover these enemies. I plan to have good outfits this year for school, and although I tried that last year, I just didn't have the resources for it. And honestly, I don't have the resources now for it. I need to like again earn more money to buy more clothes, but that's not also going to happen because I need to save it for a computer. But I'm still gonna try. And I also want to do the taking a picture of my outfit every day of senior year. So if you didn't know, I'm going to senior year, but who knows how school's gonna be with the coronavirus. It's really upsetting though because it's my senior year and I don't know what to expect. It's probably gonna be weird though because I don't think they're gonna have all the students in the school at the same time every single day, so I might like miss my friends and stuff. It's just gonna be a wild ride, but we gotta take what life throws at us and make it good. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make the best of this year, whether I like it or not. I'm gonna just comb through my eyebrows. I don't really do anything to my eyebrows. I just plucked them the other day. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. I literally just brushed them. They're gonna fall out of place in a second, but I don't feel like putting gel on them. And I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes. Oh well. I have tons of mascara and I don't have a go-to mascara. Usually for school I use the Glossier one. Let's try this one. I never use this one. Wonder Wand by Ciate London. Oh, I think this is gonna be a mistake. This looks very clumpy. Okay, that's good. I just did a few little strokes. I think I'm gonna brush it through with a wand though. An empty wand. I'm gonna put the Glossier one on the edge to make them look winged out almost, if that makes sense. Okay, then I'm gonna use my Telescopic by L'Oreal Paris and put it on my lower lash line. I never make my bottom lashes look so defined. So whenever I use this, I feel like a different person. I look like a spider girl though when I do this. Throwing some up here too, I guess. Wait, it kind of looks good. It actually looks good. Uh-oh. I usually have Q-tips to wipe this off, but I don't have any more, so. Now I'm gonna take my Benetint. I've been using this stuff so much, and I am in love with it, and I never knew I had it. I had it for so long. I like to put a lot, though. My gosh. Oh, my nose is not looking good. I might have, like, squeezed some blackheads, and there's, like, red marks on my nose. So let's fix that. My nose gets so dry when I put concealer on it and cakey and gross, so I don't wanna. That's better. Not the best, but better than it was. Okay, I also need to learn how to do eyeliner properly and how to contour my nose. But I like this stuff because it stays all day. Because it's like a tint and it's like a liquid, so when you rub it in, it's like there, you know what I mean? Yikes, I think I put too much on. I just really like the burn that you get on your, like it looks so cute when you burn your cheeks and your nose. And it always happens to me, like I always get, if I ever burn, it's only always on my nose and my cheeks because even though I put so much SPF on, it always happens for some reason. It's so bad burning your face. Like I was at the beach the other day, not the other day, like the other week, and I had all my SPF on, you know the drill, and then I wanted to put more on because it felt like my face was burning, like in the sun. So then I was putting more on and my face started burning, like burning so bad from the sunscreen. And like it would not go away, like burning so bad. So I had to go in the ocean, like wipe it all off. So I couldn't reapply because it was literally burning my face. So that was unfortunate. And then I got a burn on there. It was like not fun because I didn't want to get burnt there because I don't want skin cancer, and I also don't want my skin to be like leathery when I'm older. You know, if you've watched Skincare by Hiram, you know the fear. I'm gonna put on this Halo Scope by Glossier, a little bit on my nose. This is just such a natural little highlight and I love it. I'm just gonna put a little bit of powder right here just because it's really shiny right there. I also forgot to put this on my little eyebrows. It doesn't really make a big difference, but I still like putting it there. My lips are a little bit crusty, so I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Sugar Scrub lip scrub thing. So delicious. This reminds me of like fake makeup or like kid makeup from when I was younger. I love it. It's like the cherry one, if you were wondering. It also makes your lips feel so moisturized though after, so I definitely recommend that scrub. But I'm gonna be putting on my lip liner from Artistry that I always put on. I don't know if I should put lip gloss over. I've been putting on this lip butter on top of it, a Car Skin Ruby Tint. I think I'm gonna keep the matte look because I'm liking that and I don't want to ruin the makeup look. Wait, I'm so proud of these. They never look this good. Okay, so what's the next step? Oh yeah, getting dressed. Let's see the degrees today. So it is 88, it's getting up to 90. Okay, normal day. Be right back. I'm gonna go pick up my outfit because it kind of takes me a while. Okay guys, so this is what I decided to wear. I have this adorable top on. It's hard to see in this lighting. Hang on, let me. You still can't really see. Ripped here, and it just has a little tie, and it's just a cute little 2000s top kinda. I think you guys have seen this before, I'm not sure. You've definitely seen the pink version of this though, and I cut it and I know it's a little uneven, but just got a deal. And then I have these pajama pants on because I want to be comfy on the bottom. I have no shorts at all. Like I literally have no shorts. I only have my paperback shorts and they're like these Aeropostale shorts that are literally so small on me. I have no other shorts besides that. Besides flowy shorts, but I feel like they don't go with this. And no jeans that go with this shirt either. So I decided to wear comfy pants, and plus I just want to be comfy on bottom. Maybe, I don't think my bottom will really be in this video that I'm filming. I hope it's not in the video I'm filming. But I mean, you guys know anyways that I'm wearing sweatpants, so it doesn't really matter if they're shown or not because you already know that I have them on. Anyways, rant over. This is my outfit, and I might put on jewelry too. Let's go see. Yay! Okay, so I just put on my little H necklace from Forever 21. Forever 21 really, I think, has like the best jewelry. Some of the best jewelry. So go get some jewelry from Forever 21. Is this zoomed in? But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Sorry if it was a little hectic. Oh, a little all over the place. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Why do my fingers just automatically go up? Bye.